Rights of Nature Bill. Senate Bill 1097, also commonly known as House Bill 5603, or the Rights of Nature Act. The bill recognizes that nature has legal rights. Being part of nature, we need to recognize its existence. The Rights of Nature law recognizes that an ecosystem has the right to exist, flourish, regenerate its vital cycles, and naturally evolve without human-caused disruption. Even so, there's only 7 countries that have legally recognized the rights of nature. The first one is Ecuador, followed by New Zealand, Colombia, Australia, United States, Bangladesh, and India. Um, Most of us are asking for human rights, but have any of us has has any of us as ourselves that does the nature need any rights? We are for me, we humans are parasites in this world. We consume, we take the natural resources of our world, or the air, or the planet Earth, or also known as nature, but we rarely give back. We do not give any importance on what we already have. Lots of people are lots of people are in hunger, even though the earth, or our planet, or the nature can, or have the capability to feed us as a whole. 7 billion people, or 7 billion human population can be fed by the natural resources of our world. But even so, lots of people, or lots of children, are still suffering on hunger, on poverty. Why? Because lots of human, or most people who are in the high standard, or the rich people, are greedy. Most of them will exploit the common people just so that they will pay less, they will gain more while giving less. Lots of people are illegal loggers. There's lots of people who are using dynamite fishing. There's lot of people who throw their garbages on the ocean. Lots of people who are illegal miners. All of the said followings are causing harm on our nature. We are not thinking for our future generations. We are only thinking for ourselves. We are only thinking for our what we have right now. We are disregarding the consequences of our following actions today that might impact the future. 10 years or 20 years from now, we might not be able to have any fishes on the ocean. Why? Because there's so much plastic wastes that are in the ocean. Coral reefs are being destroyed. There is now global warming. The places where the habitat of the land animals are decreasing. Why? Because of our continuously expansion of our own territories. We are hunting animals for fun. We are we are always disregarding the consequences of our action. And then that's all for my perception of the bill or the rights of nature as a whole. For me, everything has a right, especially nature. Why? Because Mother Nature is the one who is giving or providing everything that we have, from oxygen to food to shelter to even the most basic things that we can imagine. That's all. I am Jude Angelo Igana from H2021. Thank you.